1994 GMC Sierra 1500 Sterling coach conversion pickup here at Unique, especially in classics. So extended cab, short box, half ton. 2-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Listen to this, only 75,655 miles on it, and this truck is clean. Of course, 5.7 liter V8, 350 cubic inch. Chevy power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission, 4L60E. So we get a good look at the GMC grille, chrome in the front bumper. Note the Lund headlight covers, bug shield, and of course the Leroy's graphic package on this one. Check out the still pictures. You'll see it from every angle: underside, interior, bed, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Boss chrome wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this thing does not have any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well. Of course, the chrome rockers, running boards. Also note the tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. A lighted visor. Does have a soft tonneau cover that is a roll up, and you're going to be able to see that rolled up. And check out the bed. Does have a rubber bed mat in it. Dual exhaust. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold on this one. Technician noted brakes are 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. Does have new rear wheel cylinders. Checked out very well in service. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Stickers in the rear window are just vinyl. They could be removed at the next owner's wish. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. There'll be over 100 pictures of this one online. If you like these mid-90s trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. They're getting more and more popular. We do sell quite a few of them. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And as you can see, up and down the driver's side, again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This one shows well. Let's take a look at the interior. So, of course, your modern amenities: power windows, power locks, door panel, nice shape, some wood accents, Sterling coach, flex steel seats. I have like a split bench, I guess, if you will, or 40-20-40. Seat combination up front, leather, fabric inlays. Of course, the full rear seats also. Those would be stock. And you'll be able to see those in the still pictures. A little easier. Tilt column, cruise control. AM, FM cassette player with an equalizer. That is working. It's fired up. There's your exact miles, 75,655. No service, engine soon, check engine, anything like that on. Head unit working fine. Again, AC's blowing cold. There's your equalizer. Manual transfer case. Carpeting in nice shape. Check that out. The still pictures. Top of the dash, good shape. You can tell this has been stored indoors. Headliner, yes, also in good shape. Let's listen. Nice throaty exhaust note, a little rumble coming out of that 5.7 liter. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Tell you what, I might be able to get this one one-handed, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, there we go. So underside of the hood and V8 power. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Again, blows cold. Good looking engine bay, what you'd expect. 2-owner vehicle, low miles, clean Carfax. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Very nice driving and nice looking truck. All our gauges appear to be working. Turn signals working. AC blowing cold. The wipers function in this truck. Nice little rumble to it. Stereo also working. The equalizer settings over here with cassette. Now, I've not tested cassette, but FM is working. Temperature gauge, a little under a quarter, still warming up. The volts are just under 14. The fuel tank is showing a half of a tank, and the oil pressure approximately 60 psi. A couple tiny little rock chips in the glass and the windshield. Nice tint on the sides. The way a Silverado should from 1994. Brakes are nice and smooth. Power steering excellent. Even the steering wheel, we've got a red ring right around the edge of the center horn button, which I don't remember seeing before. Some nice little touches. And that horn does work. These seats more comfortable, more plush than a factory original seat would be. Great looking truck. A lot of extra features. Check out